Let's introduce you to the most popular and inexpensive online car rental system in Podgorica and Montenegro. In this video, we will explain to you in detail how to make the right car reservation on our website. The first thing you need to do is to choose the pickup and drop-off city and the date of the rental. Also, if you want, you can choose the exact type of gear shift which you prefer and point out the type of transport, cabriolet or minivan. If both options suit you, then you don't need to choose anything. You can just skip these options. While you're filling out the form, you'll be shown below the car catalog, which will be adjusted to your requirements after every change you make in the form above. In total, 4 categories of cars will be shown to you: economy class, standard class, luxury dominated by cabriolets and SUV. If you want to approach your choice in detail, then you can use the advanced search. There, you can indicate the amount of your payment per day of rental and also select the subtleties of the car, such as engine, the type of fuel and its consumption, type of drive, type of insurance, and even the year of release of the car. If you don't want to pay a deposit for the car rental, you can go into Advanced Search in the Insurance field and select the option for No Deposit. Now, after indicating all the necessary requirements, you can choose the car you like from the catalog. This will open a card in front of you where you can see the cost of the deposit and the type of the insurance included in the price. After that, if you want, you can choose additional insurance and a green card if it's available. Also, you can find out all the car's characteristics. Next, you can choose additional equipment or services for a comfortable drive. For example, baby chair, Wi-Fi, or GPS navigator. At the bottom of the card, you will see the exact price that you will need to pay for the car with all the chosen services. Also, you will see the amount of the prepayment needed to book the car. At the present time, more than 20 local car hire companies in Podgorica and Montenegro are currently working through our system. Price policy differs for each rental agency. As a result, the cost of car delivery and additional equipment can vary. You're advised to check the delivery cost for each car before making your choice. For example, the delivery of some cars can be free of charge, while the others cost extra payment. Now, when all the services have been chosen and the prices are determined, it's time to book your car. For this, you have to indicate the information about the driver and place of the pickup and drop-off. Let's start with the place for an appointment. Here you can choose where and when you want to receive and return the car. For example, you can take the car near the hotel you're staying in and return it to the airport. Driver's data is the final stage of the order. It has standard information like name, date of birth, electronic address, and mobile phone. In case you're arriving in Montenegro by plane and you want to rent a car at the Podgorica airport, then provide a flight number. After this, you have to make a prepayment and wait until you get a notification in your email about booking confirmation and your voucher. On our website, you only pay a small part of the rental. The rest of the amount and deposit you will pay when receiving the car. If you need a safe and cheap car rental in Podgorica, our service will always help you to do it quickly and for the cheapest price in Montenegro.